Hello everyone. In today's video, I will help you all to understand clearly the concept of forward and backward counting. Do you know, students, what do you mean by forward counting? In Bengali and in Hindi, forward counting means आगे नंबर या आगे का नंबर. And in Bengali and Hindi, what we call backward number? We call पीछे का नंबर अथवा পেছনের number. So, forward counting is easier for everyone, but sometimes we face some difficulty while learning backward counting. So today in this video I will clarify all your doubts regarding backward counting, and after seeing this video I am sure you will clearly understand the concept of backward counting. See how I have written here. Forward number. What is the forward number of 29? তার মানে 29 এর আগের নম্বরটা কি? That is 30. What is the forward number of 13? 13 का आगे का नंबर क्या है? 13 का आगे का नंबर है 14. 14. So forward number of 29 is 30. And forward number of 13 is 14. Now let us do the backward number. Backward number. What is the backward number of 15? The backward number of 15 is 14. Means পিছে का number অথবা পেছনের number. আগে আসে 14, তারপরে আসে 15. What is the backward number of 22? The backward number of 22 is 21. That means 22 এর আগের নাম্বার হচ্ছে 21. তার মানে first comes 21, then comes 22. So did you understand, students? Forward number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And when we count backwards, we mean 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So let us write the backward numbers of these numbers. Now see what I have written here. Backward counting. What is the backward number of 10? Means which number comes before 10? Before 10 comes number 9. Before 10 comes number 9. What number comes before 16? Before 16 comes number 15. Before 16 comes number 15. What number comes before 28? Before 28 comes number 27. What number comes before 24? Before 24 comes the number 23. So students, did you find any similarity with forward and backward counting? The similarity is forward number means after number, and backward number means before number. So if you go through this video nicely, you can also get a clear concept of the topic after and before number. Forward number means आगे का number अथवा आगेर number. Backward number means पीछे का number अथवा পেছনের number. That means forward number is similar with after number and backward number is similar with before number. So, this video will also help you to understand the concept of after and before number as well as the concept of forward and backward number. Thank you. Hello students. As in my previous videos, we have studied how to count backwards, and I hope everyone have successfully understood it. Now, today, let us recapitulate or revise again about the concept of backward or reverse counting. Now you can see how I have written in the page. Today's topic will be backward counting from numbers 30 to 11. Now you see, today I have written here the forward counting. Now the forward counting will be from numbers 11 to 30 and the backward counting will be numbers 30 to 11. This portion I have done today for your benefit, so that after seeing this portion it will be easier for you to understand the concept of backward counting once again. So first, let us read it out, the forward counting from numbers 11 to 30. Like before, T for tens and O for ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Tens, ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So this is the forward counting. Now this forward counting will help you to understand the backward counting. So let us start writing the backward counting from 30 to 11. Now see how I am writing. T for tens and O for ones. The first number will come is 30. Next, see here. 29. Next, 28. Next, 27. Next, 26. Next, 25. Next, 24. Then comes 23. Then comes 22. Then 21. Again here comes 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So did you understand, students? Let us read it out again. Backward counting from numbers 30 to 11. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So did you understand, students? Like this way, you will be learning and practicing the backward counting from numbers 30 to 11. Thank you.